All right, let's get into this remote customer service representative, do it yourself online and software position. All right, so this is with Conduent. And a little bit about Conduent is through our dedicated associates, Conduent delivers mission critical services and solutions on behalf of Fortune 100 companies and over 500 governments, creating exceptional outcomes for our clients and the millions of people who count on them. You have an opportunity to personally thrive, make a difference, and be a part of a culture where individuality is noticed and valued every day. So, your job description as an customer representative, online and software, remote agent. Of course, your starting pay is $16.50 an hour. Training is Monday through Friday. So, they're going to train you, okay? If you have a great personality, they're going to train you. All right. And of course, you got to have a little experience, okay? A little bit of experience. But they're going to train you if they like you. All right. You're going to have plenty of growth and opportunities, health benefits for you and your team. No, sorry, health benefits for you and your family, including medical, dental, and vision starting on day one. Okay. I love it. Pay time off, work shift will be assigned after training, which may include on one or both weekend days within the hours of operation, which is 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. So if you can work between those days Central Standard Time, then this job is for you. Sounding good, huh? It's already sounding good. Y'all better apply. Just go ahead and apply right now, okay? And once again, yes, this is a fully work from home position. And about your position here. As a member of the team, you will help people every day by taking calls, actively listening to understand customers' needs and answering their questions. You manage a high volume of incoming calls from customers while navigating through multiple systems. Our call center associates are members of a supportive team. Your excellent customer service and communication skills will help us create positive experiences for our customers and clients. Your punctuality and dependability are key to our client success. A few of the questions you may receive as a customer representative are the following. Can you assist me with installing an application? Do you know how to update the current software I have? And I need help with a tax refund. Can you assist? So this is more of a tech customer service job. If you are familiar with working for a phone company, this would be a very good job for you because you're very detailed and you're very techy when it comes to those phones and opening it up and applications and all of that. This time you'll just be doing it on a computer with a client and helping them through the process. So this would be very, very good with someone who likes computers, likes to fix things in computers. And of course, if you've worked with phones before at any of the major phone companies that are out there fixing phones and stuff, this would be a really, really great job for you. Your responsibilities for this role is that you will install and uninstall, how to install and troubleshoot, install issues, identify OS version, administrative rights, creating admin accounts, disabling antivirus, firewall software, running compatibility mode, unregistered, register, installer services, etc., as guided by knowledge base. How to, what isn't removed when installed. You'll be doing the updates, you'll be doing pre-sales, you'll use the navigation, calculation, error check, username, password. You'll be helping them with resetting the information, browser issues, importing and printing, refund status, federal product usage, state product usage. So these are the main things that you will be doing in this position. And once again, there are lots of room for growth because once again, you're going to be working amongst one of the 100 companies that they work for. So this is a great opportunity, you guys. And of course, with the world of tech that we live in, if you can get into a tech position and work your way up to more applications and softwares and just knowing and navigating through that, you can definitely work your way up into a higher paying position. So this is really good. And what they are looking for, we're looking for people with passion for helping others, are naturally empathetic, and have the determination to deliver a comprehensive solution to these financial service related calls. Customer service experience is a plus, but not required. To be successful in this role, you will have at least 1 year experience with technical problem solving experience, ability to successfully complete virtual training class without missing a single day. 100% attendance is required for this position if you're offered. Excellent communication skills, must type at least 35 words per minute. Keyboarding and software proficiency, great problem solving skills, ability to effectively multitask, high school diploma, GED, or college degree. So that's good. You don't need a college degree for this position. Must have flexible schedule, availability as schedule may differ in peak and non-peak periods of the year. A successful completion of background check and room inspection is required for this position. So you're going to need a lot of patience with this position. That's where that empathy comes into play, because when people call in and they're having trouble navigating the site, you never know. They may have a bug and their whole computer might need to be reinstalled, or, something techy may be happening and they're not able to find what you want them to click on to progress in the process of helping them. So, you really need to have not only the tech skills, but the patience. So that's why I was saying it's really a really great position if you're someone that worked for any of the major phone companies that are out now, because you're able to be patient with that customer right there and there, hands on, and walk them through the steps, or just show them how to do it, or just do it for them while you're there. So that's why I was saying this is really good for someone who is like that, because you're used to talking to people and you're used to helping them at the same time. So this would be a great, great, great position for you. All right. So they're going to want you to do an assessment. They are, let me go back up. I fast forwarded a little bit here. Okay, so the equipment that you'll need for your workspace, it says that they are going to provide you with a computer and equipment. So don't worry if all you have is a phone and a tablet. They're going to hook you up with a computer. And then you, of course, must have high-speed internet connection, must be able to hardwire your work computer directly to your home modem via Ethernet, and must have a quiet workspace. Okay. And you're going to have to go through like a little test here. So it says below is what you'll need to do to be considered for this position. It only takes 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes, and includes everything required at this stage. So you'll apply to the role and provide your basic profile information. You'll answer pre-screened questions to be sure you meet the minimum requirements for the role. You'll complete a typing test, take a short assessment to determine your fit for the role, and set everyone up for success. All right, so that is what is required of you, because they want to make sure that you are, you are who you say you are. You are a legitimate person, and you have integrity behind your applying for the job with your resume and everything like that. Okay. All right, so this goes over the typing test. For the typing test and assessment, you'll need to have access to a computer with a keyboard. If you don't have access to one at the moment, please complete the other steps and then find a local library or a local public computer to complete steps 3 and 4. So what you can do is go to a local library. They will have computers there that you can use for free. So that's one of the ways. And of course, if you can go to a friend's house or a family member's house and use their computer, that'd be also great too. You can access a computer with a keyboard at local coffee shops, at libraries, shipping stores, or just search for public computers. So, shipping stores, um, like FedEx, Kinko's, they will have computers that you can use there as well. So, keep that in mind if you don't have a library near you, or if, a family member doesn't have a computer or they're not nearby. All right. Once you access to a computer, you can log into your account and complete the application process. And if you don't complete all the steps, we will send you an email reminder. If you don't hear from us, please check your spam folder for messages from the recruiting team. So this is good. This is good. If you don't complete it all, they're going to send you an email about it. And then they want you, be a part of the future and seeking, an opportunity. And trying to pick out the best information here that I can give you. All right, and that is going to conclude. The rest of the let's see here. More job of the job description, which it's like a summary of everything that I've read and went over. So it's just picking that right back up here at the end of the description. All right. So yes, this job is legitimate with Conduent customer service. You are a remote customer service representative in online and software. So you're a tech support, really. You are tech support and getting paid $16.50 per hour and working from the comfort of your own home. So, I don't think it can get any better than that. You have a growth opportunity, so you can move up in the company, and that's great. So take advantage of this opportunity, okay, guys? Take advantage of it, all right? Go ahead and apply with this company. Of course, the link will be down below. Also, share with me in the comments what jobs that you want me to look for you, and I'll do my very best to get those jobs out to you. And thank you so much for tuning in to Payday Canary. You have a very good day, and I'll see you in the next video.